Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a quick overview of the camera Pro mode on the HONOR Magic5 Lite. To find the Pro mode you have to go for the More modes, and the Pro mode will appear right here. First of all, when you open this mode for the first time, I will recommend you to click on the information icon where you can find description of every parameter. Next, let's start from the left side. Right here we can find the matrix metering. And right here we can adjust ISO. Next we can find shutter speed. We can set the maximum shutter speed for the 8 seconds. Right here we can find exposure compensation, +12 and the -12, and as you can see there is no this automatic button like for example on the shutter speed or the ISO. And right here we can change focus method, and also we can manage focus manually. And right here we can also adjust the white balance. So as you can see we can find 4 presets, and the last option we can find the manual slider. At the top you can turn on the flashlight. When you tap right here you will go to the settings, and here you can simply zoom in or zoom out. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.